Hi, I'm Sherry.
Hi, I'm Li Feng. A lot of you may have heard about the Fuda Cancer Hospital and you want to seek medical help from us. But at the same time, I'm wondering if it's really as good as said. What does it look like inside?
We know being in a complete unfamiliar environment can be a little scary, especially for international patients flying all the way from home. But it doesn't have to be that way.
Today, we're going to show you our hospital from the lobby to the top and I hope to answer some questions you want to ask.
So,
follow us.
We're standing in the center of the lobby, which serves as a connecting point for two main buildings in our hospital.
To your right is the Medical Service Center, and to your left is the Imaging Department. And right behind us, as you can see, there's a beautiful piano.
Is that a digital piano that plays itself?
Of course not, it's a real piano. If you think you're good at it, you're welcome to show it off anytime.
And now let's take a look at the first department that you're going to deal with, which is
the Medical Service Center. When you land in China, we'll pick you up from the airport and see you off when you leave.
if you need visa extension or translation service, we will do that for you.
And as you can see here, the counter is covered by different flags of different countries.
It represents the diversity in our hospital.
Up to now, patients from over 70 countries have come through our door.
And now let's head to our next stop.
Crazy, crazy for feeling so lonely. I'm crazy.
When staying in a hospital, you doesn't have to worry about the coffee at all.
Here at this cafe, we offer a range of hot and cold drinks, as well as sandwiches and salad.
So it seems to be a really nice place to take your time off being in a hospital.
It's actually my favorite place in the hospital.
Same here.
Before, let's take our friends to look at our imaging department.
Okay.
It's where you can have a range of body scans,
including the X-ray, MRI, DLSA, and CT. But Sherry, you know that we have something that cannot be so easily found in other hospitals, which stands us out.
Cryosurgery.
Yes, let's take a look at it.
Cryosurgery, also known as cryoablation, which destroys a tumor by penetrating two probes through the skin to the tumor and then releases argon that lowers the temperature to 140 degrees below zero and helium that brings the temperature up to normal level with very few side effects and soon recovery after the surgery.
That's the technology that most of our patients came for. If you want to know more about it, please check out our website www.fudahospital.com.
Now that you've come to China, we think you might be interested in trying some local specialties like traditional Chinese medicine and treatment.
Here in this center, we combine several methods such as acupuncture, massage, and herbs to optimize the treatment you receive. Among them, acupuncture originated in China more than 2,000 years ago. It's one of the oldest and widely practiced medical procedures in China.
It's not only available to patients, it's also available to family members if you would like to try. When staying in Fuda, you get a dedicated medical help from our medical staff.
In addition to that, every so often, volunteers come to share your burden and listen to you.
Among them, I will cover the patients, psychologists, and the college students.
Especially by talking to the recovered patient, you know there are people going through the same thing as you are.
So they will truly understand you and listen to you. At the same time, you could also talk to any one of us, share us with your stories.
And now let's take you to have a look at something that might greatly concern you.
The room you will stay. There are three types of room we provide in Fuda. The standard one,
VIP,
MVP,
which is even better than VIP.
I'm standing by the patient's bed in the VIP room, and as you can see here, this is an automatic bed with 8 control buttons in the control panel. You can control it, lift it up and down very easily. Even though we promise you a clean and comfy environment in the hospital, to sterilize your hands after getting out of the room is quite important to avoid infection. So in the hospital, we hire one of the most professional cleaning companies in the market to manage the public sanitation. Due to the diversity of our patients, we mainly provide 3 types of food here, including halal, Chinese traditional foods, and Southeast Asian foods.
The food we provide might not be as delicious as what you have at home, but we absolutely guarantee the safety.
And That means if you're not content with the food anyhow, you can just cook your own food in the kitchen downstairs.
On top of that, you could also customize your own food and have it delivered to your room.
In our hospital, we believe the treatments we give will significantly alleviate the pain of your body, but the thing that's even powerful is the spiritual power of your inner heart. So we do understand the importance of you being with your religion all the time.
That's why we have set up 3 separate rooms for Buddhists, Christian, and Islam. And for your family who are in great concern of your condition, they're also welcome to come up here and find their inner peace.
And finally, we would like to present you our International Affairs Department, which serves as a connecting bridge between you and our hospital.
Basically, if you have any questions, you could just come to us.
In Fuda, we try to make the patients feel comfortable about everything, and we're open to any suggestions.
By making this video, we hope you have a better ideas of what Fuda looks like.
Thank you for taking your time to explore the hospital with us.
We look forward to carrying you.
I'm Li Feng.
I'm Sherry.
I'm Tracy. I'm Coco.
I'm Vivian. I'm Li Ping.
Ako po si Segundo Cruz III. Ana Dr. Muhammad Al-Nagyar.
We will see you here.